Hi guys, this is Young and this is my holiday hat. And talking about holiday, you guys might be considering what drone to get as a first-time drone pilot. So here I have two drones that you might consider right now in the market. MAVIC Mini and bigger but younger brother, MAVIC Air 2. So I'm going to compare side by side. So let's first fly them up in the air and compare. First, let me focus on 6 areas where MAVIC Air 2 is better at, and then I'll talk about the advantages that MAVIC Mini has over MAVIC Air 2. First point is, of course, the better camera quality. MAVIC Air 2 offers 4K 60 frames per second, so you can actually slow down your footage even at 4K resolution. And the slow-mo video can be taken at 120 frames per second, as well as 240 frames per second at 1080p resolution. And the photo can be taken at 48 megapixels, as well as all the panoramic photo options, which look really nice. And second feature that I love about is OcuSync 2.0. That means the video transmission signal as well as flight distance range for MAVIC Air 2 is a lot stronger and a lot further than MAVIC Mini. And the third feature that I really begin to enjoy with MAVIC Air 2 is hyperlapse. I've tried waypoint, circle, and also I've tried freestyle, and the result is actually pretty decent. And today was rather windy day, as you can see with the video taken with MAVIC Mini, but I haven't yet seen any strong wind signal from MAVIC Air 2. However, with MAVIC Mini, I unfortunately saw strong wind signal as soon as the drone went up to the sea. So with MAVIC Air 2, I was really confident at flying over the ocean. And because MAVIC Air 2 has visual sensor all around except on the top and the side, still that's enough for the drone to enjoy the active track. I'm beginning to explore the functionality of active track, but with MAVIC Mini there's no such option because MAVIC Mini does not have any sensors. Final feature is that there is asteroid and boomerang quick shots, and I really love asteroid. Okay, there are still some advantages that MAVIC Mini has over MAVIC Air 2, so please continue to listen and watch my video. So the first advantage is that it is significantly cheaper. Why spend so much money on something that you may not use very often? Because that could happen to a lot of you guys. Drone flying, you have to actually find specific spots, so the drone can actually end up sitting on your shelf for a couple of months. And the second feature that I absolutely love about MAVIC Mini is that it is much lighter at 249 grams. That's under the regulatory registration weight in many countries. And a smaller drone is always good for your backpack, even though it is cheaper and lighter. But don't worry about the video quality at 2.7K. Don't you agree that the quality is really good, as you can see in my video? So what did you guys think about these two drones? I mean, they look similar, but the sizes are quite different, and most importantly, the weights are different. MAVIC Mini, I would totally recommend if you live in a country where you need to register any drones above 250 grams, because with MAVIC Mini, you don't need to. And because of the limited features and specs, if you're a simple pilot, if you want something simple, you just love the simple flying of a drone, then this is highly recommended, and you can definitely check out my MAVIC Mini playlist. But if you're someone who doesn't mind spending more money on drone because you know you're going to fly more often and you're not restricted by the weight, then yes, MAVIC Air 2 would be the drone that I would recommend this year. So as I explore more, especially with MAVIC Air 2, I'll definitely come back with some other reviews and tips. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!